Okay, the next ratio is trade payable ratio. Trade payable turnover ratio. You can find out trade payable turnover ratio with the help of the formula net credit purchase on average trade payable. Net credit purchase. Okay. If net credit purchase and average trade payable are given to you, you can find out trade payable turnover ratio in a very easy way. But suppose net credit purchase given to you and average trade payable are not given to you, so first of all you will find out average trade payable, and you can find out average trade payable with the help of average trade payable is equal to opening creditor plus opening bills payable and closing creditor plus closing bills payable divide by 2, or opening trade payable plus closing trade payable divide by 2. Along with trade payable turnover ratio, examiner may be asked about average payment period. So average payment period you can find out with the help of the formula month in a year or days in a year divide by trade payable turnover ratio. With the help of a numerical problem, we try to sort out first and second both types of calculation. Okay, we can find out trade payable turnover ratio, or with the help of a numerical problem just try to find out total trade payable turnover ratio and average period. Okay, we have a problem. Total purchase 8,50,000, cash purchase 1 lakh, purchase return 50,000, closing creditor 160, opening creditor 120. Calculate trade payable turnover ratio and average payment period. Okay, so first of all, trade payable turnover ratio. Trade payable turnover ratio is equal to net credit purchase. Net credit purchase. Okay. Net credit purchase you can find out. See, total purchase you have. So from the total purchase, you will minus cash purchase and purchase return. You will get net credit purchase. Total you have 8,50,000. But we want net credit purchase. So from the total, you can subtract cash purchase, that is rupees 1 lakh, minus purchase return also 50,000 by average trade payables. Average trade payables. So average trade payable you will find out. Average trade payable is equal to opening balance of creditor plus closing balance of divide by 160, then 120, 280 by 2 is equal to 140. Okay, 140. 850 minus 1 minus 50 is equal to 7 lakh and 140. 1 2 3 4 70, ये हो गया 5 times. Yes, the trade payable turnover ratio you have 5 times. Just stop.